of our first oblique, we're going to start with a cube again, just like we did with our isometric. Now remember, with an isometric, we started our isometric with a Y. And as we did that, we could see a top, our right side, as well as a front. So here we can see our top, our front, and our right side. So all those parts and pieces are there. An oblique does the same thing, except an oblique starts, instead of with a corner or with the Y, like we see here, we start with a plane, or one of our views. In this case, the front. And again, we sketch this in. So move your arm a lot to keep things moving. Everything must be parallel, so here's our front. Now, to get the top and the right side, remember from our notes, is that we move off at an angle. So we're going to move off and recede, and we keep my hand moving and sketch this stuff in. So now I have the beginning of my top and the beginning of my right. I could, if I chose to, if I resketch my front, I could travel off in this direction. Either way is acceptable. I'm right-handed, so I like drawing this way. If you're left-handed, you may prefer that way. So to finish this off, to get our top, we're just going to draw across here because our back here matches our front. And if I look at my right side, everything's parallel as well, so we would just draw straight down. So now I have my front, my top, my right side. Remember, for oblique, full depth, this is cavalier. If I were to draw this only half depth, so if I stopped this sketch here halfway back, that would be a cabinet oblique. And that's how we make an oblique.